Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the project environment. Create a new C# project and immediately add Entity Framework Core plus the provider for your database. Once done, place a connections string in app settings, JSON or user secrets, and register it in configuration. Then add a DB context class and at least one model entity to represent a table. Make sure to keep models focused and map only necessary properties. This reduces migrations noise and speeds initial development. Next, you wire up DB context with dependency injection using add DB context in program or startup and configure options like lazy loading or query tracking. After that, craft your first migration. Run .NET F migrations, add initial create, inspect the generated migration, and apply it with .NET F database update. Make sure to prefer Fluent API for complex mappings and data annotations for quick constraints. Once migrations are applied, seed minimal data and test queries. To finish, write your data access code using link and async patterns. Build iQueryable chains and call to list async or first or default async to execute. When models change, add a migration and run database update. Verify the migration script before applying to production. For performance, profile generated SQL and use include for eager loading only when needed. If something breaks, enable detailed EF logging and compare SQL to expected behavior. This single troubleshooting step resolves most mapping and query issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.